early?
Yeah, I think you guys are early, but today
Today we're gonna do a mukbang with spaghetti.
I love.
Her mom just like.
What do you mean, her mom?
I mean, his mom makes spaghetti.
That spaghetti is really, really good. First,
Yeah.
you gotta mix it first.
Agitate. Guys, do you know how to call spaghetti in Italian? Pasta.
Pasta, bro, but pasta is different.
Oh yeah, I'm so dumb.
Pasta is like the macaroni stuff.
Yeah, Kuya Bal, we can do live.
No, we can't, bro. Because you don't even have like the live yet. Because I don't know how. I don't know how to do it live. But let's just keep on mixing.
Cheers.
Wait, let me just mix a little bit more. And first bite of the hot dog.
I already do that. Second, the spaghetti.
First, let's cheers.
I cannot see your face.
Let's cheers.
Cheers. We're not going to cheers anymore. Why?
Yeah.
Because our saliva's here.
Oh.
Ay, my face.
Okay, but my face. Just kidding.
I can see your face, dummy.
Mix it up. Look how little my spaghetti is.
That's a lot. First the hot dog.
Stick the big. Yeah, you gotta get a hot dog. Tastes
Then
so good.
spaghetti.
Bro is not Sigma.
It's so good. What would you rate your mom's spaghetti?
700 out of 10.
I rate it 7.560 million out of 10. That's the world's longest number.
That's the lowest number. I rate this infinity over 10.
I rate this 10 infinities out of 10.
How can you put 10 infinities? Infinity.
My classmates keep saying that.
This?
I'm gonna get water, guys. We're gonna just pop. Here is our water.
It's our water. Cheers.
This is bussin'.
I'm gonna wait for you. Because we're gonna take our last bite together.
Yeah.
I'm actually gonna take my last bite.
Good.
Let me actually get some more.
Yeah. Because look at mine. I'm still not done yet.
Just get a little bit. I don't think that's a little bit.
Do you like me a little bit? No, I don't even like you a little bit. Come on, girl. You like me a little bit?
Bro, this is not TikTok short. I mean, this is not YouTube Shorts, bro. Oh, you're not on POV. You're not the POV people. You're not
Cheers.
Hindi ko alam. Na, hindi ko pa nakita. This actually really tastes good. It's like not the normal spaghetti from.
It's not like Jollibee, but it's better than Jollibee.
Seriously? Is this girl serious? I don't know.
What the?
I become a monster.
Ah,
This is super good, actually.
Jinx. I just say that.
You didn't even say anything with jinx, okay? You can't even jinx me. Okay. This is so good. Jinx. Yan.
Thank you.
Okay, bro. This is
This.
okay.
Okay.
It's
Jinx.
just stop copying me. Okay? You're not copying me.
Yeah, I'm not.
You're not supposed to copy me for
I'm just like
jinx.
blah blah blah. Guys, my kuya is obsessed with spaghetti, so if I don't like it, I'll give it to him.
I'll do this to you. I'll just beat you up.
Beat your ass?
Yeah.
We just say that on camera. I'm sorry, guys.
An ass. I thought the ass is an ass.
Guys, look over there. Look over there. Treat me like my teeth.
Don't be like it is.
What?
This is actually super.
What?
The Filipino spaghetti is not like the spaghetti from Italians. It's not the spaghetti from...
Like American?
Yes. This is our spaghetti.
This is the best spaghetti in the Philippines. Pat, pat, pat.
Ow.
Guys, eat it. Just kidding. You don't want to eat my saliva.
Here you go. Is it yummy, guys?
I think they say yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, well, you want to send this to YouTube?
Of course. What do you think you're going to send this to Facebook? You don't even have Facebook.
I just want to tell you. It's the best. What's mewing, bro?
Like this. Look, I look fat, right? Look. You look. I look flat, I look. That's mewing.
Oh.
Like this. Look. I have, it's not showing, right? Look. See? That's mewing.
Can you teach me how to do that?
Just put your tongue onto your roof and then just hold it.
Oh yeah, I did it. Okay, but I don't want it.
It's a day mukbang.
You hit me.
I didn't even hit you. You didn't even do anything.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna.
She's finished and I'm not yet. So bye.
No. You have to call me when you're done. Then we're gonna put this on YouTube, okay?
Of course. What do you think?
Bye.
Okay, fine. Since Yanyan is gone now, it's time for you to talk about. Since Yanyan is just sleeping outside. I don't know why he's sleeping outside. I don't know why. Yanyan is just sleeping outside, and I don't know why. I don't know where he is. So much, bro. Nothing is there. Look. There's nothing. Who left? Help. I cannot finish this now. So.
Hey, what's up, man? Are you done?
Nah, I'm not gonna finish it.
Oh.
I'm gonna leave it for later.
Okay, guys, let's go edit. Bye.
Boo!